Hello everyone, my name is Anya. Today I'm going to show you how to learn ABCs. Let's begin. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. Seems like A, but a bit different. F is for fish, fish. G is for guava, guava. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. A is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nap, nap. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, snake. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for water, water. X is for axe, axe. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zoo, zoo. That's the end of my show. Thank you for watching. Bye.